workout?
I came out of the hut. I was in my cabin for the past 4 months.
Has it been 4 months?
I don't know, it felt like it.
Yeah, I think it's 4.
Yeah, it's been for like about 4 months. They cut it out mid March. But yeah, you know,
This feeling heavy?
bruh, this feels like 600 pounds.
His new max.
Yeah, new max.
Y'all. These weights.
In the gym though, so
Don't
not new here.
These weights be hitting different,
She
y'all.
doesn't have her mirror.
Yeah. No, but like I feel like every gym, like the weights at every gym are different.
Yeah, they are.
I feel like the other ones were lighter.
I think well, in this gym, it's because that part of the gym is lower, so it feels heavier.
Yeah.
Like more gravity.
Still getting the gains though.
Because the weights over here is weird.
Yeah.
Your cup with a spray and codeine. She get me so high, but yet I'm down on my knees. What is it you desire? Yeah, your life or that lean. Wait a minute, this ain't shit changed. Just a different day. It's the kind of pain I just couldn't take away. Something like Wayne, but you couldn't feel your face. If you in it for the feeling, know the say. Wait a minute, what's the motherfucking problem? Me and my niggas mob throwing up gang signs. Fuck a goon and a goblin. Gold grill shining, don't ask me how I got them. Styrofoam cups with jolly wrenches at the bottom. She's all that I want. She's all that I want. She's all that I want. Wait a minute. Hey, and now I'm blowing hella smoke. Talking.
All right, video has begun. Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Yep. This is Anna's drop set. She's about to get to work, and here we go. Boom. Guys, check out the form. Check out the form. You see the muscles working? Check out the booty scrunch, though. That's healthy. Boom. Right there. Boom. Let's get that muscle real quick. Boom. Good form. Good form. Boom. You got this. Come on. 2 more. I'm not actually sure how many she's doing. All right. 4 more. You got this.
What?
Yeah, you got this. It's a burnout. Boom. Your quads and hammies are working. I can see them. Boom. 6 more. There you go. That's what happens when, you know, your students don't listen to you. They get stop whenever they want. Yeah, they get stop.
Thanks. What is bro doing, bro?
Oh my God.
Nah, it's cause like you never see shit this clean though, to be honest.
On my cell phone, and I got that purple on me. She sipping on my styrofoam cup, telling me she want a bone, but I ain't got no condoms on me. She claiming I'm a Pepsi, cause I'm sipping Big Mo when I'm on that screw juice. She sipping till it's empty. Purple on the mustache, now it's time to screw you.
More than that. I thought you had 1 more.
I can't land on an odd number.
Chop and screw you, girl. Moving like it's turtle time, feeling like the world is my mind. I be on my Bergenstein, I stay on my money grind, then I'm going out of my mind. Flying through the purple sky, and I'm in a different world, and you kinda look like Jasmine Guy. And I'm kissing on that pink juice, sipping on that pimp juice. All that I want.
Okay, so we finished our workout. We about to do some cardio. How was that?
That was what?
How was your workout?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it was something.
Let's just say everything feels right. Feels how it's supposed to.
Got the leg pump. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
So I got some more work to do.
Getting some boba. Waiting in the boba line. Well, let me show y'all the inside. They're gonna think I'm recording them. Hold on. Let me just wait till we go on there.
She's all that I want.
I'm gonna do it and then just
Wait, Alicia, I thought you were gonna wait till we get over there.
Oh.
she said,
Yeah, I
"Bitch, I'm
am.
hungry."
Just take one right now.
Okay.
Wait, where's your yellow light?
Alicia hungry as
Yellow
fuck.
plate, you can put the
Yeah.
using hella fucking force in my hand that I'm not supposed to be using. Just
Oh, then I'll do it.
it's fine.
Sheesh.
to burn completely. Anna, come over here.
Are you saying I'm bad vibes?
You rearranged your room, huh?
Yeah. Oh, you haven't been in here since I rearranged it? Yeah. Are you sure? First dad in quarantine and we don't know how to act. Yeah. The beach vibes, you feel it, you see it. Got the sandals.
She's all that I want.